In today's tutorial, I'm showing you how I crochet the tail into the body for my Monkey Lovey pattern. I find this is easier than sewing the tail on later. But before we begin, I want to go ahead and point something out. The tail should be crocheted into the body where it can sit between the legs. But I know that we all crochet a little bit differently, so your starting point may not be mine. If the written instructions don't give you that preferred position for the tail, just crochet a little more or less single crochets at the start of the round, and hopefully that'll get you through it. Now, let's get crocheting.
This is round 5 of the body, and I've already crocheted 62 single crochets to get almost all the way around the body. Now we're going to line up the mark stitched on the tail with the next available stitch on the body and single crochet through both of those stitches. You'll repeat that 7 more times, and I do my best to keep my tension tight to get a really good join. Once that's done, you should have 2 unworked stitches remaining. Put a single crochet into each one of those and you're done with round 5.
Before we start crocheting the next round, I want to jump in and mention that you need to make sure the tail is completely stuffed. But don't go overboard or his tail might just stick straight out like this. Let's get back to the tutorial where I have already worked in 62 single crochets into the round, and let's finish attaching that tail.
Pinch the unworked stitches on the tail up against your work. Then insert your hook through the next available stitch on the tail and the body to single crochet them together. Repeat this across the tail until you reach the end. My tension tends to get a little loose when I crochet pieces together, so I do my best to tighten things up to get a better join. You should now have 2 unworked stitches on the body, and you'll want to make a single crochet into each one of those to finish this round.
I like how this pattern really starts coming together at this point, and the best part is, I know I don't have to struggle sewing on that tail later on in the pattern. Want to see how I work in the arms to the body? I'll show you in the next tutorial. Thanks for crocheting with me today, and thanks for watching.